Hello everybody around the globe, Ivan here from Market Respect. In this video we will be analyzing the AUDUSD as expected, and as we were talking about, we have seen a move straight to the upper part of the, let's say, up channel. So afterwards market retraced, as we talked about within our last video. I was not in this trade because what I have been here waiting is on a smaller time frame to go to retrace one more time here on these levels and then to take off down. This is the first reason, and the second reason is I didn't want to go against the major trend. This is something which is personally my rule, but you could scale into this position on a smaller time frame, really good, and you can get insanely good profit out of this market. So when the market touched and held for let's say almost a day on this levels, so on the upper part of the channel, the move down was really insane. So for one AUDUSD, which is slower pair, 130 pips from high to low is really good, and you could catch here some pips. And now we are at the point where we should be looking for how to go long. But before that, of course, so yeah, this was the short opportunity here, presented ourselves and fulfilled, let's say. So now we are here in the position that the market is still bearish on this one. The only thing I can now do is to be patient, watch where the area of support can be. It can be the case that it's from last big swing, high, low to high, now came back and rejected almost perfectly the 7860 of FIBO retracement level. It might be the case also that the pair goes further down up to the trend line, so to expect the touch of this trend line and then make let's say some sort of consolidation and then a move to upper part of the channel. And here we have to wait for a break of this trend line to see some sort of going back to it, like a retracement, and then going back up. This is the scenario if you want to go long on this one. So this is the scenario that I'm personally waiting for. I will not go long before this. The second one is, of course, the bearish one. So if you want to go short, then you have to be aware that the pair already retraced a lot, and you have to then search for opportunities on a smaller time frame. So example, if you want to go short here, then you should then draw this trend line. This trend line then would be acting as is something that market respects. And then for example on this one you can see clearly now, so market make a move down, make a move up, make a move down, so you're drawing a fib from high to the to the first low point where you see the green candle, so where the retracement is taking place. And this is where market retraced exactly on the 78.60, and of course on this trend line respected this trend line. So this was the perfect entry to go short on a smaller time frame with a smaller stop and the higher risk to reward. So for the short position here, let's say on the 78.60, you could have, for example, a stop above it. So let's say it's, I don't know, something like this. This is enough, and these are your profit target is minus 27 of Fibo extension level, which has been touched. So from here you have risk to reward 1 to 5.7. I think that's quite enough. So this is something you could do, and you could be a trader that trades safely, that is taking care of the risk and manages the trade, and don't just jump into the market without any reason. This is all from my side regarding Aussie. So still bearish here. I'm waiting for this move to go to the trend line, and then I will consider going long, as I already explained, when the market shows me the signs that is going back. But we will analyze this within our next videos. That's all from me. Stay safe, stay healthy, guys. I love you all, wish you all the best, and ciao.